friends, Heidi here from Rain Country. God is good all the time, and I'm here today for a different kind of video, a little diversion from what you're used to seeing on our channel, but I'm so excited to share this with you because I recently found a local photographer who takes absolutely amazing photos that really displays the beauty of our area. And I've been wanting to share this kind of stuff with you for a long time, but just hadn't had the time to go out and take photos and videos of all the different areas. And when I came across his work, I knew it was perfect. So his name is Mathew Nichols. I'll be putting his contact information down below, and if you're interested in any of his work, yes, he does sell his prints. And some of you saw a couple of the photos I put in the community section a little while ago, and were asking me about that. So I did contact him, asked him for permission to put this video together, and he's pretty excited about it too. So I hope you enjoy this video and this little slideshow I'm putting together so you can see not only the beauty of our area, Rain Country, and how all this rain that we get through the year, how it pays off, but also to enjoy this amazing artwork that Mathew puts together with his very artistic and talented eye. So here we go. Alright, well I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to click on either show more right down here below my channel name, or if you're on a smart device, the little gray triangle or arrow right here, to open up the description box to find the links and any other information I'll be putting down below, and especially if you want to contact Matthew himself and learn more about his work. And thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.